Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Ford Expedition. Start by lightly sketching the main rectangular body shape. Then, add the wheel wells and the basic outline of the roof and hood. Pay close attention to the overall proportions to ensure your drawing looks accurate. This initial step is crucial for a well-balanced final illustration. Now, let's add some key details to bring your expedition to life. Carefully draw the distinctive headlights and the prominent grille. Outline the windows, ensuring they align with the body. Don't forget the side mirrors, door lines, and any roof rack elements. These features help define the vehicle's character and make it recognizable. Next, focus on the wheels and tires, making sure they appear round and in perspective. Add the hubcaps and tire treads for realism. Begin applying shading to give your drawing depth. Use lighter pressure for areas hit by light and darker strokes for shadows under the vehicle and in recessed areas. This adds a three-dimensional quality. For the final touches, carefully go over all your lines, making them crisp and clean. Erase any construction lines or smudges. Consider adding subtle reflections on the windows or bodywork to enhance realism. A little texture on the tires can also make a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your drawing skills will surely improve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.